Good afternoon, good evening. My name is Bolaji.Afolabi. I am from Global Click. We are into prop tech and e-business solution, and we have been doing this for up to like 10 years. And today I want to introduce our real estate e-commerce kit to you. And what is the solution this system is bringing for you? It helps you get clients directly from your website. It helps you go paperless and also work on the go. Yes, who is this person called Bolaji.Afolabi? Well, I work as a technology expert in the real estate and construction industry in Nigeria. I blog regularly about web technologies in real estate and the construction industry, and you can access my content via Bolaji.Afolabi.com. Today, I'm going to be explaining what REEK is all about in this short presentation. The rules of business have changed, and the real estate industry is not left out. The marketplace is now highly competitive. In fact, many offline retailers are now finding it difficult to generate new clients and manage their workforces, all because new jobs are not really coming their ways. Now it's time to change the rule. We need to double offline with online, and that is why we designed Rick for you. So if you play the offline game and you have not dabbled into the online game, this is the best time for you to come online, because those clients are not really coming to your office again. What they are simply doing is to do simple Google search, and whoever comes up on Google, that's the person they are going to do business with. The days of please give me this agent something number has gone. Please give me this surveyor something's number has gone. People are doing simple Google search to know those who they are going to work with. If you have relevant content that matches their need, they are going to do business with you. Now we need to double offline with online. The real estate e-commerce kit approach. As I said, we are in the new normal. The way we run businesses have changed, and real estate business person like you should not be left out. We designed real estate e-commerce kit to cater for your web presence by providing you with website and company email, digital marketing innovation, paperless office operation, online invoicing and accounting solution for effortless billing. The RIC promise. Promote your properties effortlessly on your website. Reach out to clients without stress. Prepare invoices from the beach. Get WhatsApp inquiries directly from your website. We give you specialized real estate web portal. We give you online cloud storage system for project files. We give you a blog system where you can write and educate your clients directly from your website. We provide digital marketing training on how best to promote your services online. We also give you tutorials on how to manage your real estate web portals without stress. The RIC outcome. At the end of the day, after we have implemented our various RIC solutions, your real estate consulting practice will be digitized. You'll be able to work remotely, minimize your operational expenses, archive and retrieve your work file and project files online, then make the traditional physical office space less important. Getting started with RIC. We just need 10-minute telephone conversation with you. We need your company profile, we need your company logo. After that, we go to the drawing board and begin to strategize our solution. Pricing. The complete package price is 120,000 naira. You pay 70,000 naira upfront and the balance of 50,000 naira will be paid upon project completion. Remarks: there is no alternative to digital transformation. Visionary companies will carve out new strategic options for themselves. Those that don't adapt will fail. Jeff Bezos. Now moving forward, please check through the content below for the next line of action. Thank you very much for listening. We appreciate your time.